Hey guys, my name is Steve from Pacific Lawn Sprinklers. Today I'm here with Chris Garcia. He's one of our franchise owners. How long you been doing this, Chris?
Through the company like 20 years. Been a franchise like 13 years already.
Wow.
So it's been a while.
That's a long time.
Yeah.
So you were here since you were basically a kid.
I was 16 when I started actually, yes, I remember. It's great, you know.
Okay.
I like it, you know.
Great. So in your franchise, what do you do? Are you doing service, installs?
I do everything. I do install, service, I do maintenance, you know, spring startup with Prescheduling, all kind of stuff, backflows. Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty much it's really good.
Cool. How many trucks are you running this year?
3. I got 3 trucks so far, thank God. Yeah.
Yeah. That's a lot of work
to get the 4th one next season.
Oh yeah.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah, that's cool. So how do you find working with Pacific? You know, we do the schedule for you, all that stuff. What do you
I think it's great because, you know, if you guys take care of everything, literally we just gotta wake up, get the tablet and going, you know, make that money. I think it's good, you know, make the life easy because you already handle the bookkeeping, the call center, and all the stuff like that. This way when I got home, you know, I don't have to worry about anything, so, you know, it's good.
Cool. What would you say to, you know, other guys watch these videos, they're thinking about taking a franchise?
I really
what would you say?
highly recommend it. You know, it's a great, really good opportunity because, you know, like, again, you know, I started from zero and look at me right now. I can't complain. I got 3 trucks and I think I'm doing good and I can do better, you know.
Okay.
It's really good.
That's good. You are doing good. So another thing that we do with our franchise guys is if they, if you own a franchise and you recommend another franchise to us, and he winds up taking us, basically we give out like a commission or a bonus check. So basically Chris recommended a guy who just recently took a franchise. So Chris gets a check for $5,000.
Which is great.
There you go. You know, it's hard now. He's got to, you know, one of the guys he recommended was actually his relative, his brother, who was helping him out. So now he's got to find some more help, but his brother at least is doing his own thing.
He's on his own thing. He's gonna do better. He's gonna do good. You know, it's good. He like it. You know, the good thing about this job is that you know, if you're doing what you love, if you like it, that's, you know, you do it for passion. You know.
Yeah.
That's it. It's great.
Yep.
It's a great business, growing every year, so you can't go down. It's good. I highly recommend it.
Good. All right, guys. Well, thank you, Chris, and good luck on the rest of your journey. And thank you guys for watching.
Thanks.